channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Jasmine, aka Jazz Dash, and today we will be counting my sinking funds and seeing how much we saved in the month of May. Now, today is June 4th. Wow. So I am a little bit behind, but it's okay. Better late than never. So we might as well get started. No need for the chit chat, no need for the talking. So let's see. I think I saved a pretty decent amount than what I saved over the last March and April. So in medical, we started off with 20 and we've added, let's see, so 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So we ended off with 30 in medical. Shoes had 0 and now it has 20. I think one of these days I will do a bill exchange. I'm just still trying to sort out exactly how I want to do it and where I'm going to get the money from, because I probably should have did it from my extra envelope when I had the money, but it's okay. Gaming had 25 to start out with, so we have 10, 15, is this in order? Yeah. So 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, and 39 in gaming. I know it may seem like I'm rushing. I am going kind of fast because my little sister is up. And I don't want her to come down here and make no noise or nothing like that. So yeah, subscriptions started off with 40. And we've ended the month with 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61. So 61 in subscriptions. Extra. So let's talk about this. Now, this $1, I told y'all a long time ago, the ATM would not take this dollar. So I had my mom go deposit all my money from my extra envelope, and it would not take this dollar for no reason. She even tried to mix it in with the different bills. It just would not take this dollar. So I'm like, I need to actually go to the bank and get that situated, because this $1 needs to go. I need to get rid of this dollar. I said I was gonna iron it, but I don't know. So extra, it did have 500, and I know I added 380, yeah, 380, and then I subtracted 870. Yep. So then we're left with $1. Okay. Because that dollar is not going to disappear no time soon. So that's what we have in extra. Beauty had 70. And now it has 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100, 105 in beauty. 105. Okay, on to my next binder. Envelopes. That's how you know it's 11:30. Okay. Oh, don't know why I still got my food envelope. So Christmas started off with 100, and now we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. So 130. Oh, so I stuffed $30 over this last month, which is amazing. Car started off with 120, and now it has 20, 40, 60, 81, 10, 20, 30, 40, 55. 155 in car. I hope you guys had a good eventful day today. It was really It was really hot today. So me and my friend, we went to the movies. I went and got me something to eat. So yeah, travel had 250 and now we're at 51, 52, 53, 20, 40, 60, 80, 85, 90, 95, 400. So we're at 400 in travel. It would be amazing if I could just stuff like $75 in every envelope. That would be like life-changing. Home has 20, 40, 60, 80, 1, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80. So it has 180 and it started out at 150. So that's a good leap. Not too small, not too gigantic. School had 0 because it's new, and now it has 20, 30, 31, and 32 in school. I think I'm gonna find me a different school envelope. So if you guys have any suggestions, you guys should leave it down in the description box below, because like, trust and believe, like, I like it, but I just don't feel like it stands out enough like this one or my travel envelope. It just seems kind of dull. So if you guys have any ideas or where you guys get your cash envelopes from, please leave it down in the comments. So emergency had 202 and now it's at 51, 50, 70, 90, 2, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34. So it has 234. And savings has, God, come on. It started out with $4 and now it has 20, 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34. So that's just even 34. So that's all for that. Now let's add everything up and see what everything comes down to. All right, you guys, so I saved a total of $14.21, and let's see exactly what I started out with. So I started out with $14.81, and I think what really made a big difference is the emergency, because it had so much money in there and I was just down to 1. So since I had to take all that money out of there, that's why it is less, but that's okay, because this is mainly for debt. So this is constantly going to be going up and down anyway, and I am a-okay with that because I know I'm using it mainly for debt. It's not going to be used for nothing else. So if this keeps going up and down, just know because that extra is leaving. But I did want to show you guys what I did for my June. So everybody know June is for Pride Month. So I decided that I am going to just use Pride as my theme for this month. So I kind of, at first I had like my calendar stickers, like the numbers all colorful, but I was like, it looked like too much. So I just made everything else really colorful. And then I have Don't Worry, Be Happy. And then I have my goals down here at the bottom. So this month, my goal is to get 85 subscribers, buy a new iPad case, because I don't like the black. I am very pink. I love pink. Pink, period. That's what I love. So I need to get a pink one, and I want to get something pink for my pencil. I want to upload a TikTok for every YouTube video I do, because recently I'll like make YouTube videos and I only like post about it on Facebook, but I'm like, I need to start utilizing other social media platforms because I don't really have a big following. So I just got to try to push myself out there in some type of way. And also to pay off my Amazon credit card, which is pretty close. I think I only have like $400 left to go, and then that money is going to start getting snowballed into another credit card payment. So those are my goals. And then, you know, my themes that I do. So as I said, my theme is Pride Month. So I found this on the internet, and I never knew that the stripes actually meant something. So I just figured just have the flag in there, but also showing you exactly what it means, and to really educate myself, because I really did not know that the stripes meant anything. But I'm glad I did find that out. I'm learning new things every day. But yeah, you guys, that's my theme for this month. You know, I always gotta have a theme. I don't know what July gonna be, but that's in the future. We focused on the present. So I hope you guys like this video, and I hope you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And please tell me where you guys get your cash envelopes from, because I really am interested in either switching out all my cash envelopes and or just switching out some every now and again, because I'm one of those people that like to switch things up all the time. So like, I have these now, but then in August I could have a whole different system with new envelopes, new binders, and everything. I just like to switch things up, which is why I think I did the theme for every month, because I don't like things to be the same all the time. Like, I don't know, I just like to switch things up. So yeah, but I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, you guys.